Despite the challenges including those by financial means from COVID-19, the Jamaica Boxing Association will be introducing technology at the national championships come next year. Denise Walters tells us more.
President of the Jamaica Boxing Association, Stephen Bomber Jones, says they will be doing away with manually scoring boxes and will instead be rolling out the boxing scoring system in 2023.
So we actually have one of the machines where they'll be using electronic scoring. So we have that, it's just implemented now. I think we'll be using it for nationals in January.
Kelvin Stupart, a one-star International Boxing Association AIBA referee, couldn't be more pleased.
I can't wait for it to come. What it does, it makes our job so much easier. And it even makes the competition run much faster. Instead of where the referee have to be manually collecting the scorecards, you just press up a button and results are in.
General Secretary of the Jamaica Boxing Association, Leroy Brown, says it's part of the JBA's plan to use technology going forward, and in the coming year, whichever technology is available to them, they'll be bringing it to use in Jamaica.
Boxing has been on the ropes for the past couple of years, and we are just now coming off the ropes. But we have big plans, and there are lots of supporters and sponsors who are coming on board with us.
However, Brown admits that while the JBA has an eye towards getting the boxing replay system, which is fairly new in the sport, it comes at a cost to them, the promoters.
We would have to tape all the fights, and if an appeal comes up or if there's something that the referee of the fight wants to have looked at, then we can take a look at it. But I must say, where Jamaica is concerned, it's a little bit in the future because of the cost of the technology and what it will entail.
But boxer Daniel Hilton is looking forward to the implementation of the boxing replay system.
Yeah, that is a good thing coming into boxing. I think that the first world country have it already, and it is a good look towards boxing in Jamaica.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.